Hi everyone, here's another report that you may want to take a look at to share information with parents for conferences. It's the Individual Skills Report. So once you log into Fastbridge, you can click on the Reporting tab and you can click on the Individual Skills Report for aReading. We'll take a look at that one first. When you scroll down, you're going to need to click on Fall for the interval and then click Generate Report. This is going to show you each student for your entire class. So what you're going to see is you're going to see the student's score that they received on the aReading screening back from the end of August, early September that we did. And you're going to see the national percentile as well. You're also going to see, according to standards, all the different skills that they have mastered, skills that are developing, and future skills. Now remember, students have been making progress since September. So there could be skills on here that are no longer developing that they actually have mastered. So keep that in mind when sharing information with parents. So you can scroll down here and you'll see that all of your students are listed here on this report. You can also share this information for aMath. So you can click on the Reporting tab again and it'll take you back to your reporting screen. If you click on aMath, you're going to scroll down again and you do have to change the interval to fall and click Generate Report. And again, it'll pull up your whole class. You'll see the score, the national percentile, and then you'll see, according to standards, all the different skills. Now remember, we still have aRead that's driving your instruction that you can share with parents. And we're using aMath basically as the screener this year. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks.